Li Jinsong has already set out the page. You should know who he went to meet.
Xiaonin still have to hand over the phone though to Li Jinsong.
You shouldn't believe him. Let him hand over his phone. I should have killed him at the construction site.
Xiaonin dared to hand over the phone. He must have found his wife and children. We can't catch his weakness.
The most urgent thing now. Stop Li Jinsong and Chuan Chuanin from meeting. Now that Jinsong got out, I'm not going to do it either.
We'll mobilize everyone like this. Go direct to page him. Lin family and Li Jinsong. Take them straight. 4连走，一分要稳。
Suyuan Honglin doesn't want to leave for his family, but our lives are worth more than him. I don't think there is any need to fight head on.
How to arrange the most reasonable?
2 plans to act separately. First, stop him from meeting Li Jinsong. In addition, I found someone to kidnap his wife and daughter. I don't believe he won't hand over his cell phone.
Leave that woman to me.
Qing Sua, it just so happens that my relationship with her has nothing to settle.